Hi guys, today we will see how to buy and install WPDigiPro plugin over your WordPress website. Visit WPDigiPro.com. Over here, you can find all the features and offerings of the WPDigiPro plugin. Find pricing section in the bottom of the website. WPDigiPro plugin comes with 3 different plans. Choose the plan according to your needs. After selecting the plan, click on Get Started. Complete your payment module over here. After successful completion, you will get a mail from WPDigiPro team. In this mail, you will get the username, password, the product name and the license key you have purchased. Visit on WPDigiPro.com again. Look for login button in the menu section in the top. Click over here. Log into WPDigiPro dashboard with the credentials you got over welcome mail. Over here, you can find the purchase plugin. Download this plugin. Open your WordPress website admin panel. Look for plugins in the menu section. Click on Add New. Click on Upload plugin. Drag and drop the downloaded file. Click on Install now. Activate the plugin from here. After successful installation, the plugin will require an activation key. You will find this activation key in your welcome email. Copy this key, paste it over here, click Activate. After successful activation of the plugin, you will move towards this WPDigiPro add-on page. Install the required add-ons for your website. I am installing this payment gateway for my website. After successful installation of the WPDigiPro add-on, you will require some APIs. These APIs you can find in your Razorpay or payment dashboard. Move towards settings area. Here, choose your country currency settings. You can look for other settings as well. These pages have been already created in your WordPress website. In the email templates, you will find some preloaded email templates. You can change these templates according to your needs. User dashboard. This dashboard will be visible to your users. You can update the website logo in this mentioned dimensions. You can update this background image for your user dashboard. Also, you can change some colors as per your required needs. You can also change these email templates as well. After successful changes in settings area, move to Add New section. Enter the product name over here. Add some description related about the product. You can find the product buy now link over here. Add some pricings over here. You can also change it to recurring. Like I am selling this product for $100. I can also update the version over here. If you want to enable the license of the product, you can enable it from here. If you're enabling the license, please enter the maximum allowed domains and the validity of the license over here. You can add the deliverable files over here. Enter the name, select the file from your media section. If there are some change logs, you can enter it over here. You can also set the redirect settings after the successful payment or the failed payment. Just publish the product from here. And you are ready to go. You can find this product in all products. Like I have made this product. Just select this link, copy this link and you are good to go. After successfully copying this buy now link, I will paste this link to my website. Likewise, I have done it over here. You just paste the buy now link over the buy now button. When the user will click over this button, your payment module will open and you are good to go. Thank you very much, guys.